Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be a quick video. I am actually on my way to Good Things Music Festival today, which is going to be interesting. A couple of my favorite bands growing up in my teenage and early 20s, Limp Bizkit, Fall Out Boy. We've also got Sepultura playing today as well, which is really freaking cool. Can't wait for that. Now, obviously, we've got a lot of updates coming out about Ripple and XRP. Of course, there may potentially be a settlement that comes out. Who knows? Let's see what happens with this. Obviously, we've got Ripple partnering up with 500 banks and institutions around the world, which is crazy. Shiba Inu as well. The ProShares futures ETF on Bitcoin on the New York Stock Exchange is absolutely pumping at the moment. Bitto, that stock is crazy. And we have another application for a spot Bitcoin ETF as well. And XYO, one coin that I've been very bullish on for a long time, is absolutely pumping. I'm also going to be going over my 3COMMAS day trading bots with OKX. Incredible, guys. And there's a lot going on, and yes, let's get straight into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing, with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking insane in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? Right, formalities are out of the way, and yes, you're probably looking at what the hell has happened to my nose. It was healing from the other day, and I was at kickboxing this morning and literally got bopped in the nose, and it just took a bit of skin off. So there you go. This is what happens when we kickbox. Does hurt. There was blood flying everywhere, and it wasn't pretty. But anyway, we're getting there. Don't touch your face with cleaning products, blokes. That's all I'm going to say. Let the professionals do that. Anyway, moving on. We have top altcoins in my portfolio today. Star Atlas, we've got XYO, Nextra, Sia Coin, and Polkadot making moves today. Let's go to coin market cap. We have a total market of 1.43 trillion, $43 billion in volume. This is still incredibly low. When this starts getting up to 100, 150, nearly $200 billion in trading volume, then we're in a full-fledged bull market. It gets pretty crazy. And of course, the market cap was around about $3 trillion. So, and this was before all the institutions got involved in the Bitcoin and crypto race right now. So now things are going to be very different this bull market. I honestly believe that anyway. We've got Bitcoin sitting at 51%. We've got Ethereum at 17%. Would love to see that get flipped by XRP. It will happen. 27,198 cryptos. 99% of these are absolutely useless. I'm only going for utility cryptos. And if you notice in the news and media, the only ones that are getting attention at the moment are the coins that are literally being used by institutions and banks. A lot of them. No BS. Now, this graph right here in the last 24 hours, I mean, look at that massive right angle right there pumping. As I mentioned yesterday in my video, the market's been trading sideways for the last 7 days, and that is because of Binance coming out, being sued by the SEC $4 billion, and giving him a fine and making him pay, or CZ pay bail of like $175 million. Just insane. These amounts of money are just ridiculous. Anyway, let's move on. Yes, top altcoins in the portfolio, it's still doing nicely. Atlas, I'm bullish on play to earn games still. XYO, Nextra, Sia Coin, and Polkadot. Superfarm and Reef is definitely a gem in my opinion. I mean, Reef to me is still in the pennies, and it will fly because I think DeFi will make a comeback very, very soon. That is decentralized finance, for those of you who don't know. Now, let's go to crypto bubbles quickly. The Wall Street Bull University is linked below. This is my official Patreon page. There are now 800 members, which is crazy. Thank you very much to every single one of you. It's actually over. I think it was last I checked, it was about 822 members. So it's growing like crazy. Thank you so much. You guys absolutely rock. I put up so much information in here, guys. All my buys, sells, trades, my indicators, my day trading bots, the full 3COMMAS bot set up with videos instructing how to do that. Obviously, I've got all my 50 bots that you can literally copy and paste if you wish. That is up to you. You can adjust them accordingly. And also my dividend stock investments, which go in every single week because I'm slowly building that up, because that is going to be generational wealth. So going to my daughter, which is going to be incredible as well. Anyway, 1,475 posts. I love speaking with everyone in here in the direct messages. It does take me a bit of time now because it's growing, but I do get to them. And there is an awesome chat feature in here where you can speak to other Wall Street Bull students. Very, very nice, guys. Join up. The link is below. I've kept it at $5 a month, which is absolutely nothing considering my bots are making some people more than they make in their weekly jobs in one day. It's nuts, and I really think it's crazy, and I love it. The messages that I've been getting from people have been incredible, so I'm glad that been able to help so many people, which is awesome. Now, let's go to 3COMMAS Bulls, and yes, this is the application. They are an official partner of the channel. So bullish. Now, I do recommend using the website or a desktop or a larger screen to set these bots up, because you need the full utility of the website to do this. It's a bit difficult on your phone, and I only use the phone to either switch off the bots or turn them back on pretty much when the market's extremely volatile and you get Gary Gensler trying to sue Binance, and it sends the market into chaos. Now, my subscribers will get a percentage off. The links are below. You can join up to 3COMMAS and OKX, both incredible platforms, bulls, to trade. And of course, you will get a discount on the 3COMMAS subscription. You can buy the year out, so you don't have to worry about it. You can buy a lifetime subscription now, which only came out not long ago. Or alternatively, you can buy the monthly, which I do. And I'm telling you now, I've already covered the month 10, 20 times over. So I'm not really worried about that. So I wouldn't be concerned about the fees. Here are all the bots that I'm trading with 15x leverage. I do not recommend trading with leverage because you can get liquidated big time. Okay, so don't do that if you're not confident. Please do your research with this stuff. This is not financial advice. This is what I'm comfortable with. I am trading multi-bots on a long and short. So these particular bots have literally all of the perpetual contracts on OKX. The bots will automatically pick them, which ones are the best ones to trade. Now, I am trading the multi-bots on an RSI indicator on a 3-minute time frame. There are many different indicators. You can use Bollinger Bands, MACD, linear regression, whatever you like, or some of the single pair bots that I've got running at the moment are just on open new trade ASAP. These will continue to trade non-stop. All of these bots have been set to 1.5% profit and a 2% price deviation as well. And the safety orders have been set at 1.05, and that is for a reason, because it's, I've got 30 safety orders in there. It's just going to increase those safety orders by 1.05. And again, that profit level is going to move down automatically with these deals as well. So taking 1.5% profit. So really incredible software. I've been using 3COMMAS now for 2.5 years, and I've just gone parabolic with it with OKX because it's allowing me to trade with leverage. Whereas in the previous bull market, I was not able to trade with leverage because I was using Binance. I mean, no hate against Binance, but it's a pain in the ass when you want to trade with leverage, and Australian regulators are restricting that. But anyway, bullish about OKX. Go link up below, guys, in the Patreon, the Wall Street Bull University. Now, again, let's have a look at OKX today. I'm currently up $1,066, which is insane in itself. Most people have to work a long time for that kind of money, but just putting that out there, I have had big liquidations, okay? Really big liquidations because of Binance. I'm still down on the week, $3,768, and that's slowly recovering. 4,000 I'm up on the month here, 4,945 cents. That's 12.37%. And of course, on the 6 months, that is $22,154. That is 97.85%, which is nice as well. So it has taken time to do this. It's not easy. And I just want to point out as well, I'm not selling some BS here. This technique has taken me 6 months to perfect, and that is the reason why I'm documenting it on the channel. And I've had a lot of losses, bulls, like a lot. Now, I just want to point out for those of you who are in the Patreon and those of you who want to get into this as well, when I see available balance, because my bots are so down significantly, I need to get it back up. I'm going to leave my trading in the account. Now, when, for example, you have a base, where you're, say for example, you have $1,000, $2,000 invested in these bots, and you are well and truly over that 1,000, and you want to take profit, so your base is 2,000 or 1,000, whatever it is. When you see an available balance in here, and I'm not going to be opening trade, but when you see an available balance in your perpetual trading right here, say for example, there's 550 in there, I'm not taking any more out, but I would take 50% of that out. Now that is USDT. 550 USDT is what, roughly around about $800. So I would take 50% of that out of there and leave in the rest to trade. That's how I take profit, and I move it from my trading account to my funding wallet, and then from my funding account into a crypto debit card or bank account, whatever you want to do. Now, I've got 166 positions opened up at the moment, which is insane. 677 open orders. These bots work for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They do not stop. They do not stop at all, which is crazy. Long positions are open. Some of them are in profit. Really, really nice. As you can see, TRB is one altcoin on Ethereum, which is just going parabolic. IMX as well is up 29. And again, let's have a look at the history. Because it's been making gains. Casper, you've got here WorldCoin, Solana's up 114 USDT on that one deal. Absolutely wild. And we've got the first here closing out in profits. One little liquidation. I'm not worried about that. I did get some liquidations, but I'd say it easily a 90 to 95% win rate with 3COMMAS bots. That's no BS. No one speaks about this shit, but I'm telling you because I'm very open and honest about it. Now, again, Lido, that's 39 USDT. Solana, 15 USDT on a short. Keep scrolling down. This is all today, by the way, Bulls, the 1st of December. Christmas is only a few weeks away, so yeah, we need to make some more gains because we've got to get some nice Christmas presents for each other and our families and friends. Let's have a look here. Nice gains. I mean, this is what it's about. I've been trialing things for so long, how to make passive income through crypto trading. I've tried it all, Bulls, and this is the best way. Anyway, go join up to the Wall Street Bull University. The Patreon link is down below. You will not regret it. And there's so much information in there, beneficial for everybody. Now, quickly looking at crypto bubbles, we've got Taucoin, we've got Bitten Saw, 18% on the day, which is crazy when you think about that. That's just nuts. Trading at $290. So I've got a bit itchy nose. That's from Boxing today. We've got Quant. 3.2% today, $101. I bought this at $60 US. I've been holding ever since. Scrolling down, let's have a look here. ALGO has been doing quite well also, and IOTA, some banking coins here, 1.5% at 13 cents, still incredibly undervalued. And let's have a look and see if we can find our favorites. I can never do this. It's so fucking annoying, but let's have a look. Solana, we'll just do this, 1.5% on the day at $60 US, doing quite nicely. Still up 349% on the year. Where in the hell do you get 349%? Anyway, we've got Ripple and the SEC to hold meeting today for settlement talks. Amidst the evolving regulations, Ripple Labs and the SEC emerge in the pivotal talks shaping the future of XRP and crypto. And this could happen, but this could happen. A settlement could happen. I don't know, but there's Gary and Brad. I don't think they'd be sitting that close to each other, that's for sure. But court managed to settlement talks, obviously mandated settlement talks, which ignited hope for resolving the long-term standing battle. And anticipation has been building over the potential impact of a settlement, and the prospect of closure in this legal dispute has sparked heightened market interest. And there's basically taking place today, the 30th of November. Hang on, sorry, we've got here, as part of the discussions, a closed-door meeting is scheduled for the November 30th, which is going to be very interesting. So that's literally today. So we'll see what happens. It's going to be interesting to see what Stuart Algorand brings out there. And let me just bring this back to the site. I hate these freaking pop-ups, but Ripple, over 500 companies use XRP as a bridge currency. It's about freaking time. And Fiona Murray, Ripple's VP at sales at APAC, Asia Pacific, more than 500 companies have partnered with the fintech company and use XRP as a bridge currency. That is bullish. And Murray made a revelation that Ripple Payments Roadshow in Melbourne, Australia, nice, the Australian Trade and Logistics Corporation, ATLC, hosted the event earlier in August. And, you got to think about this for a moment, but 500 partnerships, and that's forever growing now anyway. Let's see what happens. If the settlement comes in, boom, I think it's going to skyrocket. Now, Shiba Inu as well, predictions to 0.001 SHIB price in dollars. And we've got there's a massive institutional burn going on here, guys. Look at this. A lot of it's been burning. The burn rate has increased, and this has been going up slowly. And it's about time. I still hold my Shiba Inu. I have not sold anything, to be honest with you. I've just bought it and held it throughout. All of that stuff with Vitalik. But the crypto world by storm is being taken by Shiba Inu, captivating investors with its meme-centric approach and the impressive price trajectory right here. However, given the recent market action, many are left wondering what the future holds for the K9-themed coin. And if they keep burning them, it could send the price skyrocketing. We'll see what happens. And Shibarium really faded off, didn't it? Not many things are happening with Shibarium. Now, this is an interesting one, but there is a ProShares Bitcoin ETF, which I do hold, and that is BITO. But it's incredible. It's hitting $1.47 billion, which is nuts. And the interest among investors as they await the US approval for Bitcoin ETFs as well. And there's currently a high interest in Bitcoin among professional investors. And that is mainly one of the only ETFs you can buy at the moment with Bitcoin on the New York Stock Exchange. But BITO offers a way for investors to get involved in Bitcoin in a regulated manner and is traded on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. And we can see right here from ProShares, Heyman right here described BITO as a familiar with regulated option for targeting Bitcoin's returns, acknowledging the strong demand for BITO. Very, very nice. And I do earn some nice dividends from that. Not so many. There was one that was like 5 cents, but the others have been quite steady, which is good. We've got another Swiss company here joins a dozen other financial services firms in seeking approval that would track the ongoing price of Bitcoin. And we've got Pando Asset to the list of companies that are seeking US regulatory approval for spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund. I reckon if they just keep getting applications, they're going to have to take notice of this. Seriously? Like, they're getting dozens of applications. Hurry up, man. Seriously. XYO's been pumping. And again, it's a really interesting project. So XYO's an Oracle network developed the function with blockchain-based Internet of Things that executes smart contracts through geolocation confirmations. So XYO offers people-powered location network created on the blockchain, and the development of the trustless cryptographic network allows layered location verification across many protocols and devices. And they also have the geo-mining tongles, whatever you call them, that you can actually earn some XYO, which is pretty cool. So again, XYO I'm very bullish on. We'll see where that goes. The buy flow, we've got money flowing into Ethereum, XRP, Matic, Link. We have Lunk, Sui, and DYDX, some nice coins. Quick look at, we got X right here. I'm at the Wall Street Bull. There's not a lot going on here apart from Elon Musk launching the Cybertruck, which is quite cool. You can still grab the XRP skull rings. I'm going to leave that 40% off code there for a while. These rings are no BS, as you can see right here. I'm wearing this one to Good Things Today, and we'll see how that goes. November closing price is $37,719 from Plan B. Cancel Disney, cancel Hulu are now trending on Google after Elon Musk basically ripped them to shreds. So he should. He can do what he wants. He's got FU money. We all need a little bit of FU money. Now we've got Bitcoin is down 45%. From its all-time high. MicroStrategy keeps buying hundreds of millions of worth of more Bitcoin. He just bought more of that as well. And of course, we've got Cathie Woods here. Just in, Bloomberg reports that Cathie Woods' ARK is poised to lead the initial stages of the spot Bitcoin ETF race by selling $130 million of GBDC to finance their own Bitcoin ETF. Okay, then. Moving on, let's have a look quickly. And we've got Grayscale Trust becomes a live betting line for spot Bitcoin ETF. Bloomberg, the GBDC discount versus Bitcoin price continues to contract and reflects confidence that the ETF will be approved. Cannot wait for that. And yes, the Fear and Greed Index, what is it sitting at the moment? I think I just may have passed it. But anyway, it's still sitting in the greed section, which is quite nice. And yes, bulls, let's have a look at my watch list. I'm only focusing on utility coins at the moment because I'm seeing the most returns out of these. We've got Bitcoin in there, Solana. We also have XRP bullish. IOTA's been doing quite well. It's down 7%. This week it's been pumping. ALGO as well. Quant bullish on, holding long term. All of these coins I'm holding long term. That's pretty much it. And I cannot wait for XRP to go parabolic. That's going to be life-changing for a lot of people. Anyway, 10,000%. I'm out of here. Have a good day. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Hopefully, it is Saturday. I'm quite busy, but we'll try and get a video in. If there's any major updates with XRP, it's going to be nice. So have a good night, a good afternoon, and a good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso. Peace out, bulls. Speak soon. Bye.